What if your bank account grew every single second of every single day? Forget waiting for a paycheck. Imagine watching your balance climb in real time, right now, as you watch this video. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. This isn't some sci-fi concept. It's the reality being built by a cryptocurrency called ZBCN. In this video, we're going to look at the technology that could seriously shake up how we earn. We're also going to pit a $1,000 investment in this new crypto against the king of the stock market, the S&P 500, to see where your money might go further. Let's be real. The way most of us get paid is ancient. You work every day, but your money only arrives in these big, infrequent drops. That 2-week or even monthly wait forces you into a weird cycle of budgeting for money you've already earned. For businesses, running payroll can be a clunky, time-consuming task, and for employees, it's often a long wait for cash they could use now. It's a system we've all just accepted, but what if we don't have to anymore? This is where Xebec Network comes into the picture. It's a crypto project built on a simple but powerful idea. What if money could flow continuously, like a stream? Instead of waiting weeks for a paycheck, Xebec created a system for streaming finance, where payments are sent in a constant real-time flow. We're talking about salaries paid out by the second, subscriptions you only pay for the exact time you use a service, and international payments that settle instantly instead of in 3 to 5 business days. This whole system is powered by their token, ZBCN, which helps make these new kinds of transactions possible. So, how does Xebec pull this off? It's a decentralized protocol that works across major blockchains like Solana, Ethereum, and the BNB chain. Think of it like a universal adapter for money. By using smart contracts, it can program funds to move automatically and continuously. An employer can set up a stream of money that flows directly into their employees' crypto wallets, second by second. The ZBCN token itself is used for things like paying transaction fees and voting on the network's future. Xebec is working to connect the complex world of blockchain with real financial needs, and it's already being used by businesses for payroll services. All right, let's get to the main event. Say you have $1,000 to invest. Where do you put it? In one corner, you have the S&P 500. It's the heavyweight champion of traditional investing, a basket of 500 of the biggest companies in the US. It's known for being reliable and has a long history of delivering steady, long-term growth. It's the safe, proven path. In the other corner, we have our challenger, ZBCN. As a much newer and smaller crypto project, it's definitely the riskier bet. But with that risk comes the potential for much bigger, faster growth. While you're probably not going to see the S&P 500 double your money in a week, that's not totally out of the question for a small-cap altcoin. Some believe ZBCN's focus on a real-world use case like payroll gives it a solid foundation. Price predictions for 2025 and beyond are all over the place, but some suggest significant potential, though it's important to remember that this is all highly speculative. An investment in the S&P 500 is a bet on the entire US economy. An investment in ZBCN is a bet on a single disruptive idea. Now, before you get too carried away, I need to be completely clear. I am not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. Investing in a small-cap crypto like ZBCN is extremely risky. The crypto market can be incredibly volatile. While the dream of a 10x return is exciting, the risk of losing your entire investment is very real. ZBCN is still a young project trying to get more users, and it's up against a lot of competition. And while it has attracted backing from notable VCs like Solana Ventures, its success is far from guaranteed. Unlike the S&P 500, which has decades of performance history, ZBCN's future is still being written. So I have to ask you, if you had $1,000 on the line, where would you put it? Would you go with the slow and steady champion, the S&P 500? Or would you take a swing on the high-risk, high-reward challenger, ZBCN? Drop your choice and your reasons why in the comments below. And if you enjoy breaking down projects that are trying to shape the future of finance, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. For more exclusive content, join our insiders group on our website at generationalwealth.biz. So, what's the takeaway here? Whether ZBCN's price skyrockets or not, the idea it represents is a powerful one. The concept of real-time streaming payments is a potential game changer for how we interact with money. Zebek is building the rails for a future where value can move instantly, not just for payroll, but for things like decentralized physical infrastructure networks, also known as DePIN, and payments for real-world assets. The project's ultimate success won't come from speculative hype. It will depend on real-world adoption. So while this showdown with the S&P 500 is a fun way to look at its investment potential, ZBCN's real test is whether it can actually build the future of finance, 1 second at a time. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. See you on the next one.